welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog is all about my mom and dad's 28th anniversary. So by the way, today is October 10, 2020. So I decided to prepare something for them since they're celebrating their anniversary and to make bawi because last October 10, 2019, they celebrated their 27th anniversary but they weren't able to celebrate because na-timingan to nga I joined my CEBU. So now it's the perfect time for me to make bawi. We will have a family dinner around 6 at my mama's house, at my grandma's house. So we will celebrate their anniversary, and also it's my cousin's birthday as well, Timmy. So it's also her 22nd birthday. So it's a double celebration, double the fun. So my parents allotted me with a budget and it's up to me on how I disseminate the budget. They gave me 9,000 for this dinner but apil na ang lechon which is 5,500. I wasn't really expecting a mahal day ka na lechon. And I already bought like props for the backdrop. I already made those. And also, I bought like some art materials. It really feels nice, guys. This is my forte jude way back in high school. Like, so as you can see, I'm done taking a bath. Bought this from Shopee. It's like a bangs. Will match up my real hair color if it will dry. So I told Giles na, hey, I would like to have a bangs. And he said, no, it doesn't look good on me. But he told me, kung sa'yo mong ganahan, just go with it. I'm okay with it. Even though I already have bangs way back 2013 to 2015. But now, I'm going to prank him nga magbangs ko. So Giles will arrive soon and then I will update you later. Bye! Yeah! Yeah! Did you ganahan sa kong bangs? So he doesn't like my bangs. Nice, but
Perfect. Perfect.
ako na ba yung nag-cut ani? What if I will say it's a prank?
It's a prank.
Ako'y bang.
Beautiful. Yapon. Sagnay bang. Sagway bang. No hair.
Already here at my mama's house. Gas Galar. Now we're already setting up the backdrop. And then Mr. Gas Galar is helping me with cutting the crepe paper. But he is so crazy kay while supposed to be serious kay para mas straight nahiwi na yun kay sigig pakatawa. Hi! So Timmy is already here and I'm planning to prank her about my bangs. So let's see what's her reaction. So I would like to thank Giles for helping me prepping up everything from scratches to something amazing. Like, to be honest ha, feel na ko ang ngayon pas kong bangs. Maybe tinudon na ko ni. Nice!
Nag-bangs na kita!
Ha?
Kano mo ka notice? Na nag-bangs
Crazy
ka?
new!
Kasi,
Sure! Ang ngayon ko?
okay na ikaw na
Faker.
Sunod na ako di ay. Actually, we are copy pasta.
Amo ko lagi nice, lagi!
Faker ka na ako.
Mas faker ka.
Hi!
So this is our setup for today. This is my mom and dad's tarpaulin. Medyo bati pagkabot ang tarpaulin, but whatever. Dinalian na siya. Then of course, di isan magpa awahi. Nasad iya ha. Happy birthday, Rez. Magunta. Imo na sa ko is surprise. Karon mag-set up namin for the food. We have chicken, cordon bleu, and then lechon, paklay, dynamite, fresh lumpia, bami, and then beef steak. So karon mag-set up na ta sa food. Kidding! I'm so happy with my purchase. Sana all. Hoy, nakay balon oh. Dinan kag balon. Tudloy kog TikTok di unsa tudloy kag ana.
Kanang anak. Unsa ka na? Kanang pinaana.
The cake. Ay wait, naada ikoy kuan. Shing. Ulo kasi siya. Para kay Timmy. Asa man ni? Oh, happy birthday buang. We're now opening Timmy's cake. Happy anniversary! Hala, uy, ka-happy niya sayang tarpaulin, uy!
First time na
time kada ka natin kagi magtarpulan. Oh. Amen. Father, the Son, the Spirit. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, po. Sige, ba yung candle? Ay, yung kanta mo, oy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Ula! Hey, ako'y naghatag, so dapat mo doon ka. Di na Oh my God.
Pwede, manok bisaya din eh.
Uy. Wow! Saan mo napag-slice? Okay. Happy 28. Oh, look, sweet! Wow! Congratulations! Oh!
Buhay, ang bagong kasal.
Hi! So, the party is already done and I'm here na lang with my cousin. There. Ay, naning dito dapita nag-study din siya because it's almost it's almost midterm. Only if you could see. Just chilling and then me, I'm drinking my tea. So, guys will be sleeping with us. This is his first sleepover with my cousin. And of course, dili kami bad influence, but also we're also good influence because we are here to support Tricky doing his assignments. Diba? Matabang dia, Trick. Pa-tutor ka, Trick. Feel ako. Asa tayo chef diri. O, tigluto sa pulutan. O, say na ano to, chef? Ano asa tayo chicken? Deep fry sad ni.
Chicken man sa damisaw.
Di naman tao ni pulutan. Oy, panihapon naman tao ni, oy. Oh.
Uy, October 11 na.
Dili na birthday ni Timmy. Now is already Sunday morning. I mean, it's not morning. We woke up really late. Already 1 in the afternoon. And now we're preparing something for brunch. Timmy also ordered milk tea for us. And there is still leftover lechon from last night. So we will eat it also today. Here. Hi, Mama. Kanira, Ma? So we will be trying this one, which is a corned beef inside the bread, and then we coat it with a breadcrumb. So we always see this recipe from Facebook. Hello, Madam. What's that, Madam? Wow, thank you sa sponsor, Tim. Happy birthday. Muna ni ang finished product na mo ni Timmy. Look. May baka ni Tim. So we're already done eating lunch. Now we're chilling. Go home na.
Hey, why you're there? Hey. Hey, you wanna go with me?
Hey, no!